Introducing the WOWNOVA 5-inch PC sensor panel, your go-to for real-time system monitoring. This sleek gadget needs just one USB-C cable for an array of metrics, from temperature to FPS. Its 5-inch screen offers crisp visuals and customizable dynamic video themes. The plug-and-play design, with one-click operation, makes it a must-have for any serious PC user. Get it on Amazon for $69.99. Discover the future of storage management with Graugear's M.2 Docking Station. Bid farewell to compatibility issues. This docking marvel works with M.2 SSDs of various sizes and protocols, and syncs seamlessly across Windows, macOS, Linux, and Android. Immerse yourself in lightning-fast data transmission speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, courtesy of a USB 3.2 Gen 2 chipset. Your data isn't just fast, it's safe too, thanks to multi-layered protection features. The station's built-in cooling fan and aluminum heatsink ensure your SSD stays as cool as a cucumber. Best of all, its tool-free design means you can swap out SSDs in a jiffy. Step into a world of convenience, speed, and reliability with Graugear's M.2 Docking Station. Get it on Amazon for $40. Get ready to soar through the internet with Netgear's Nighthawk M6, your new powerhouse for 5G connectivity. Speeds? How does 2.5 gigabits per second sound for your home and travel needs? The Nighthawk M6 makes setting up and managing your network a breeze with a user-friendly 2.4-inch color LCD touchscreen. It's Wi-Fi 6 enabled, delivering blazing speeds up to 3.6 gigabits per second while connecting up to 32 devices simultaneously. It's the epitome of power and performance. Change the way you connect with the Nighthawk M6 for only $299 renewed on Amazon. Transform your cleaning game with the Shark VacMop Pro, a revolutionary device that does it all. Powerful vacuuming and spray mopping in a single pad. Imagine capturing all the dirt and debris in a disposable pad that you never have to touch again. Yes, a simple press of a button releases the dirty pad into the trash. With a 12-ounce spring clean floor cleaner, stubborn grime doesn't stand a chance. This lightweight marvel, weighing under 5 pounds, comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, making it your go-to companion for on-the-go cleanliness. The lack of filters means zero maintenance. Just replace the pad, and you're good as new. Did we mention the LED headlights? They're like night vision goggles for your floors, revealing hidden debris and leaving no crumb behind. Say goodbye to half measures and hello to complete cleanliness with the Shark VacMop Pro. Get it on Amazon for $99. Embark on endless outdoor escapades with your four-legged friend, thanks to the Asobu Dog Buddy. This stainless steel, double-walled, vacuum-insulated bottle is a game-changer for pet parents. Offering a large capacity, it quenches both your thirst and your pups. The bottle boasts a removable dog water bowl that fits snugly on top, plus a separate bowl for dog food, ensuring no cross-contamination. Built to last and perfect for hiking, road trips, or beach outings, the Asobu Dog Buddy is the ultimate travel companion for every pet lover. Get it on Amazon for $40. Unleash your inner pilot with the Mini S96 foldable drone. This portable marvel easily stows in a handbag and takes off or lands with a single button. Talk about user-friendly. Its 120-degree wide-angle 4K HD dual-camera setup lets you capture breathtaking aerial shots, while the in-app camera switch delivers diverse perspectives. Gesture-controlled selfies add an interactive layer to your photo sessions. But it's not just about pictures. This drone challenges your flying skills with features like altitude hold, emergency stop, and thrilling 3D flips. Navigate even in low light with its blue streamer positioning. Plus, enjoy an extended 15-minute flight time, thanks to the upgraded battery. It's the perfect blend of convenience, functionality, and fun. Perfect for rookies and pros alike, the Mini S96 is your ticket to the skies. Get it on Amazon now for only $30. If flying robots aren't your thing, step into the future of robotics with the Microbit Robotic Dog. This mechanical pooch boasts 12 high-quality digital servos, offering agile movements that mimic the charm of a real dog. Covered in an all-aluminum alloy shell with an anodized finish, this robotic companion feels as premium as it looks. With 19-plus built-in actions like shaking hands and searching for food, operation is a breeze via its user-friendly app, Elecfreak's joystick, or Microbit programming. But that's not all. This robotic pet serves as an incredible playground for makers. Its versatile head can be swapped out for Arduino or Raspberry Pi components, opening doors for expansions like AI cameras and voice recognition sensors. Dive into a world of possibilities with the Microbit Robotic Dog, your ticket to exploring robotics, AI, and more. Get it on Amazon for $350. Elevate your robotics journey with the MaxArm ESP32 Robotic Kit, a masterclass in mechanical engineering and software ingenuity. Designed with a groundbreaking linkage mechanism, MaxArm optimizes joint efficiency, enabling precise movements along the XYZ axis. Dive deep into its working principles with the inverse kinematics algorithm and DH model, based on the versatile ESP32 development platform. Want to expand? The kit's sensor ports are ready and waiting. Connect an array of sensors to unleash unparalleled AI capabilities, all made possible through intuitive programming. The ESP32 core board goes beyond basic servo interfaces. It offers LED, USB, buzzer interfaces, and more. And with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, wireless data transmission is a breeze. High-performance smart bus servos ensure not just accuracy, but also the capacity for heavy payloads. Purchase the MaxArm ESP32 Robotic Kit today on Amazon for $160. Introducing the FMART W6 window robot, the epitome of intelligent window cleaning. Imagine a device that makes your windows sparkle in minutes, thanks to a revolutionary double-sided ultrasonic water spray system and twin 25-milliliter tanks. It cleans an impressive 1.5 cubic meter area in just 3 to 4 minutes. One fill-up handles up to 24 cubic meters. This robot self-adjusts its cleaning power based on how dirty your window is, ensuring a pristine, scratch-free finish. Setup is a breeze. Charge it, and it's good to go. Why reach for the remote when you can command this marvel through the FMART app? Control water spray, cleaning modes, and voice prompts. Still prefer remotes? A powerful 2.4 GHz remote works within a 10-meter range. What about safety? Intelligent frame detection and pressure sensors ensure it navigates around window edges and obstacles, making the cleaning process efficient and worry-free. Experience window cleaning redefined. Get your W6 today on Amazon for $200. Introducing the Gerber Armbar Drive Multi-Tool, the pocket-sized powerhouse that makes ordinary pocket knives look like child's play. Why settle for just a knife when you can have 8 essential tools rolled into one sleek package? A fine edge blade, scissors, awl, double-sided 1/4-inch bit driver, pry bar, bottle opener, and even a hammer. This multi-tool truly does it all. The 2.5-inch fine edge blade securely locks in place with a sturdy frame lock, ensuring safety while in use. Every tool is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, promising durability that lasts. To top it off, the anodized aluminum handle provides a textured grip, so it won't slip even under the most strenuous conditions. This isn't just a multi-tool. It's your go-to gadget for life's unexpected turns. Get the Gerber Armbar Drive and elevate your everyday carry game. Get it on Amazon for $45. Interested in more gadget innovations? Click subscribe and like this video to stay updated with our latest tech explorations. Your engagement drives us forward.